Building an app for your e-commerce store has never been simple with AppMaker. Now that you have built your app, how would you let your customers know that you have an app from which the customers can place orders and you get a sale? Here are a few methods with which you can let your customers know that you have an app. Since you uploaded your app in the App Store or the Play Store, you can just advertise it on your website. In the footer section, you can create a banner with this saying that you have an app. So let's see how this is done. To add a footer section in your website, you just have to go to your home page, and here you'll be able to see the edit with Elementor option and also the customize option. So if you're using an Elementor, you can just edit your footer by just dragging and dropping the image and adding a link. Since we have a customization option and that is for global for everyone, I'm just going to use the customize option here. With the WordPress 5.8, we get a full site editing option, and this is a great bonus. So right here, we're going to go to the footer builder, and here you will be able to see you will be taken into the footer section. So this is the place that we are going to add a widget with the image and a download symbol. So here you'll be able to see a blank space I have, and then I'm just going to add a new widget. So you can just click onto the widget option right there, and when you just click onto that, this will be a blank page right here, blank widget. So first I'm going to add a heading. So this will be download our app. Since it's H2, I'm going to change it into H4 so that it suits the size of all other apps. So this will be one title that I have. Next, I'm going to add an image right here. So here I'll be adding the Google Play Store image. So this will be the Google Play Store image, and here when the person clicks onto it, you will be directed into a website, a page where the Google Play Store image. So we're going to go to the Play Store. So this is my app, this is my AppMaker app. So I'm going to just copy the space, copy this link and add it in my website. Here in the link section, you will be able to see. So right here, I'll just click it, and this will be the email. This will be the link that I'll be getting. So next I'm going to add the iOS app as well. So I have added my App Store image, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to publish it. When I just go to my website, back to my website, here you will be able to see in the footer section, our new section is available. And when I just click onto that, I'm taken into app maker domain, the app, your app. So you can just add your app right here. And another smart feature that AppMaker comes with is the smart banner option. So that here you will be able to see there is a smart banner that will be available when a person is looking at the person is looking on a mobile phone, and their app will be popped up as a banner. So you can just click onto the enable option and add the App Store URL and the Play Store URL. So here I'm going to place the Play Store URL right here. So when the person clicks onto it, so if it's an app, iOS app, you'll be taken into the iOS app. Then if it's a Play Store link, you'll be taken into a Play Store. And here you can also add the banner. You can edit the banner. You just have to upload the image right here. And if you want to add any description like download our app or call to action, etc. So you can just add that right here. So here you'll be able to see the download our app option. So that's a call to action, and you just have to save and enable the banner. So this will be active as long as you want, and then you have another option of the footer email, so that all the emails that is sent from your website will have a footer like this. So here you will be able to see a footer section right here. So this is what it looks like in a email. So you can again enable it and add a Play Store and App Store option, and also the description and title. So you can just save and enable, then you will be able to, then you will be taken into, you will be having a order image. So all the footer email, all the confirmation mails, everything will have an app maker. I mean the link that directs towards the Play Store or the App Store. So this is as simple as it is. You will just have to let your customers know on you having our app. So you can make your own app with AppMaker and for your e-commerce website. We'll see you in a video. Bye.